Hello dear students. Today we will discuss about the method of preparation of alcohol. Earlier we have studied about its IUPAC nomenclature, how to name alcohols and phenols and all that. But today we will discuss about its preparation. First of all, what happens when a metal is treated with alcohol? When active metals like sodium, potassium, these metals are treated with alcohol, it forms an alkoxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. Here, the bubbles of hydrogen gas indicates the presence of alcohol, and this also indicates that hydrogen is slightly acidic in nature. As a result, when it is treated with metal, it forms hydrogen gas. Now come to the second method of preparation, that is hydration of alkene. When alkene is treated with water and a small amount of acid like concentrated sulfuric acid is added to it, alcohol is formed. In case of unsymmetrical alkene, Markovnikov's rule is followed, which states that the negative part of the addendum goes to that carbon atom which contain less number of hydrogen atoms. As in this case, this is unsymmetrical alkene and here water is added. Water can be divided into H, OH. This is minus and this is plus. OH is the negative part and it will go to that carbon atom which contains less number of hydrogen atom, and hydrogen will go to that carbon atom which contains more number of hydrogen atoms, and this is the final product. Now let us come to another method of preparation, that is hydroboration. It is also prepared from alkene. Here, when alkene is treated with diboranes in presence of tetrahydrofuran, that is THF, and followed by the hydrolysis, it forms an alcohol. Here, hydroboration takes place through cyclic structures or the cyclic intermediates. As you can see here, a cyclic intermediate is formed between carbon, boron, hydrogen and carbon, that is carbon-carbon double bond and boron molecule. And this hydrolysis leads to the formation of alcohol. Now let us discuss about another method of preparation, that is haloalkanes. When haloalkane reacts with aqueous KOH or aqueous alkali like KOH, NaOH or moist silver oxide, we get an alcohol. Here, Cl group is replaced by OH group.